Hey there, DIYers. I tell you what, I found a product here that really worked well for my Prius here to replace the brakes at 180,000 miles again. The time before when I replaced brakes, I finally had to go to Toyota. I tried Amazon, I tried O'Reilly's, I tried AutoZone. None of them brakes fit on the front. These brakes do, and they're under 30 bucks. Raybestos. These things are awesome. They've got the shim on the outside. It comes with it. Everything that you have to replace here is extra money at Toyota. All these clips, all the hardware, and the shoes. I mean, just the shoes itself were 80 bucks last time, so I just reused the old hardware. This one, you get brand new hardware. You get all the clips you need. You get all the slider clips in there also. Everything you need to get the job done correctly comes in this kit with the Raybestos. This company is awesome. These shoes I put on brand new. I did use the Loctite disc brake quiet stick on the outer caliper, and that's usually, I do it to all my brakes anyway, but this thing is like super quiet and grips just like brand new. I cannot beat it. It's just a great deal. On Amazon, I will leave the link. Check this out. Under 30 bucks. The front brakes, I replaced them, and it's a good deal. These are good brakes. Raybestos, you cannot beat these. They've been around for centuries. So, good luck, God bless, and it works for me.